everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Mab Topics again. This is just a follow-up video vlog about my gallbladder removal surgery 2 years ago, 2023. I just want to give you an update what happened after 2 years and living without a gallbladder. And I just want to show you also kung ano na yung itsura ng nung opera. So I want to show you a video of what this look like now. So there's a little scar, may konting scar siya, pero very minimal na lang. So it's very magaling na after 2 years already. So yes, after 2 years, ito na siya. Very minimal na lang yung yung scar niya, incision. Very flat na lang yan. And I'm using some ointment and Contractubex ointment para ma-lessen yung scar niya. Yung sa belly button naman, sa pusod, nagkaroon ako ng konting keloid, pero okay naman yung incision. So yon, I'm very happy and grateful na I did that surgery 2 years ago kasi kailangan talaga and wala na ako nararamdamang pain. Yun lang, number 1, we have to take care of our health. Be careful sa mga kinakain natin. Number 2, kailangan mag-aware tayo and then stay fit. Yon. So, wala naman akong maintenance actually na tinitake aside from vitamins lang na tinitake ko. But, medyo mataas ang cholesterol ko kasi lahi rin, no? So, yun lang. That's why alert ako sa mga kinakain ko. Aware ako sa mga intake ko kasi taasin yung cholesterol ko. So, I have a high cholesterol. So, I have to, 200 plus, 207 yung last check ko sa cholesterol ko. So, I have to, look after that. And also, dun sa may mga gallstone pala sa gallbladder ninyo, ask your doctor. Better to ask your doctor, no? Lalo na kung sumasakit na yung gallbladder ninyo because of the gallstone. Ask your doctor kung ano ba yung dapat talaga na gawin. Don't keep on trying different stuff na parang nakikita nyo lang sa internet, no? Na, i-take mo to, i-try mo tong, try this method, kung ano yung nakikita sa internet. Please don't do that. Kasi much better talaga to go to your doctor and ask kung ano yung dapat gawin. Kasi sila pa rin talaga nakakaalam ng mga dapat na procedure. So, yeah. But even before naman, I really look after of what I eat actually kasi especially now I don't have a gallbladder anymore and it's hard for my digestive system to take out the fats. So more on vegetable, fruits and fish, and I still eat meat but very minimal na lang. I need to be careful of what I really eat. For 2 years, I didn't experience pain or gallstone pain. I feel really good. I feel healthy. I feel like I have a lot of energy. But of course, I'm taking vitamins. So, napaka-essential talaga. Nagtitake ako ng vitamins. Siyempre, in my age, hindi rin naman ako, what you call this, pabata. So, siyempre, no vices, no? Wala akong bisyo, but good food, yan. So, for that 2 years, ang napansin ko, kinda gain weight, and it's hard for me to lose weight. I don't know why. I'm trying my best to lose weight, but I don't have time to exercise actually. So, napaka-importante pa rin talaga mag-exercise. So, but for now, food intake ko, kailangan healthy. Yun lang, lalo na sa ating mga walang gallbladder, kailangan yung food intake natin. Aware tayo, kailangan nutritious. Tsaka, hopefully, iwas talaga sa mga fats. Diba? Yung mga unnecessary fat. Yun talaga, kailangan accept na natin na be careful na tayo sa food ngayon. And also, napaka-importante pala ng regular check-up, no? Every year. Yearly kasi ako nagpapa-check-up. At saka, kailangan talaga ugaliin natin na magpa-ultrasound. Regular check-up, para aware tayo sa mga health issue natin. Even though na hindi sumasakit, minsan kasi nakikita na nila sa ultrasound din na may gallstone ka, kahit hindi pa sila sumasakit. So, wag na nating intayin na sumakit pa yan. So, kailangan updated tayo sa medical check-up natin. Well, anyway, that's all for now for this vlog. I just wanna update you. Sa mga hindi pa naka-watch, for those haven't watched my vlog about my surgery of gallbladder removal, please check the comment section, and also if you have a question, please comment below. So yun lang, and thank you for watching this vlog update, and also see you again to my next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and playlist here. Okay, hopefully nakatulong, and yun lang, be healthy everyone, and be happy and be grateful. Health is wealth talaga. Number 1 ang health. So take care, see you again to my next vlog. Bye.